Hello everyone, welcome to today's session. So guys, in today's session, we're going to discuss the essential concepts when it comes to para jumbles. So what exactly do you have to keep in mind? What are the rules? What are the guidelines? What are the techniques that you have to keep in mind when it comes to para jumbles? Now, why did I select para jumbles especially for today's class? Because that's one such area all you वी aspirants know कि para jumbles ऐसा एरिया है कि कोई नहीं छूटा है. Everybody has problems with it at one point or the other. But yes, we can overcome that. We can learn to ace this area. But for that, guys, it's very important not just to rely on trial and error, not just to rely on our existing knowledge, not just to rely on different permutations and combinations 1 3 3 1 फिर ठीक है हो गया. No, there are certain rules, there are certain guidelines that we have to follow in order to ace this question type. Okay, so I want all of you to be a part of the group, guys. Unacademy underscore Ritu Dudoria for your complete preparation of the VARC section. इस ग्रुप पे आपको पूरा सपोर्ट मिलता है, डिस्कशन के लिए सपोर्ट मिलता है, फाइल्स के लिए सपोर्ट मिलता है, लिंक्स ऑफ द इम्पोर्टेंट सेशंस के लिए सपोर्ट मिलता है. So what are you waiting for? If you're not already a part of the group, jaldi se join karo. Unacademy underscore Ritu Tudoria. Enroll now, guys. 6th October, 9th October, 9th October batches start हो रहे. Whether it's 2021 के batches, 2022 के batches या ओमेट्स, आपका जो भी गोल हो, आप सबके लिए batches है. Languages में batches है by the best educators from across the country, because when you take the plus subscription, guys, you get live classes, weekly tests, study materials, unlimited access to the entire CAT portal. Unlimited access, ये नहीं कि आपको एक बैच दिया गया उसी में क्लासेस अटेंड करो. जिस एक बार एडमिशन ले ली अनअकैडमी प्लस में, आपको जिसके क्लासेस अटेंड करने, जितने बार अटेंड करने, जितने बैचेस अटेंड करने, जितने टेस्ट सेक्शनल्स देने हैं, जितने एनालिसिस सेशन अटेंड करने हैं, वो आपकी मर्जी है. पूरा दिन पढ़ना है, पूरा दिन पढ़ो. देयर इज नो रिस्ट्रिक्शन. ऑल यू हैव टू डू इज टेक द सब्सक्रिप्शन. 6 सितंबर गाइस, 6 अक्टूबर से मेरा प्लस बैच भी स्टार्ट हो चुका है फॉर कैट 2022 एस्पिरेंट्स स्पेशली. तो अगर आपने अभी तक एनरोल नहीं किया है तो जल्दी से करो. When you take the iconic subscription, guys, you get one-on-one live mentoring. So what are you waiting for? Take the plus subscription now and apply the code Ritu MBA when you do so. So जैसे guys आप सबको पता है ऋतु मेरा नाम और MBA हमारा मुकाम. Correct? This is one a tagline given by my students. So guys, what are you waiting for? Take the subscription soon. Okay, so chalo guys, let's get started. Importance of para jumbles. This you already know. The expected number of questions, guys, you can get 2 to 3 questions based on para jumbles. I'm writing 2 to 3 here considering ki pattern 2 hours ka hai, us pe basis pe 2 to 3 questions. But para jumble is also important because it can help you crack odd one out. Because when we do odd one out questions, guys, we have to frame links. वहां पर भी हमको subsets बनाने पड़ते हैं. So odd one out के भी 2 to 3 questions आते हैं. So in effect ये जो concepts है, they will help you solve at least 4 to 6 questions. 4 to 6 questions into 3 marks. 12 to 18 marks. सोचो कितना important area है ये. And plus theta भी है. Negative marking भी नहीं मिलती. Now, there are two important parameters, guys, which you have to remember. Okay, दो चीजें हैं जिसको balance करके हमको para jumble question को अच्छे से solve करना है. What are those two things? We have to balance logic and language. This is very crucial. Logic, paragraph flows, paragraph structures, subsets, pairs, links. ये सब हमको ध्यान में रखना है. Language analysis, grammatical clues, indicators, words, ये सब हमको ध्यान में रखना है. So there were two very important pillars, guys, जिस पे पूरा para jumble खड़ा है. What are those pillars? Logic and language. Okay, now when it comes to paragraph flows, guys, essentially चार तरह के para flows है. Okay, there is a personal essay type, there is a comparative type, there is a narrative type. Now when you talk about a general essay type is basically an inverted triangle. You start with a general statement. A general statement is the broadest statement. Broadest does not mean broad matlab lamba statement. No, the broadest statement means the statement which is broadest in terms of context. जो contextually broadest statement हो. What is context? It could be related to place, it could be related to time, or it could be related to topic. So place and time. A sentence which talks about India is broader than a sentence which talks about Bangalore. A sentence which talks about a century is broader than a sentence which talks only about a decade. So we have to choose the broadest possible statement. टॉपिक के फोकस कर टॉपिक पे फोकस करना है, कॉन्सेप्ट पे फोकस करना है. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल गाइस, देयर आर 5 स्टेटमेंट्स. ठीक है. ओके, suppose there are 5 statements. This talks about, let's say, personal hygiene. This talks about personal hygiene. This talks about personal hygiene. This talks about personal hygiene. This statement says of all the topics, the most pressing topic today is personal hygiene. So this, out of all the topics today, the author is going to talk about personal hygiene. So this in effect introduces the concept. So that is why this becomes a broader statement. Out of all the issues today, the author is going to talk about this particular subject. The author is going to talk about this particular topic. So that is what we mean by the broadest statement. And then you can narrow down. Then you can select statements which talk about examples, which give you conclusion, which gives you solution, which gives you data, cause, effect, explanation. ठीक है. Personal hygiene से start किया, फिर you can talk about, let's say, sleep habits. You can narrow it down and go deeper. But this is these paragraph structures, guys, especially help you to select the opening sentence. So generally we select the opening sentence which introduces the topic and which is the broadest statement. For example, you start with a statement which talks about the global recession. Then you talk about its impact on India. So globe से India और India से automobile sector. सारे sector से we narrow it down to the automobile sector. So this is what you call as the general essay type. इसका जो opposite है, जो दूसरा type है, वो है personal essay type. ये थोड़ा सा rare है guys. Personal essay type, the author starts with a personal issue. Now there are 5 statements. General, 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 let's say, and this is a personal statement. For example, guys, the author starts with a let's say he goes to a particular place. जैसे टाउन ए जाता है, वो बोलता है कि टाउन ए के जो बीचेस है वो अच्छे से मैनेज नहीं है. देन ही सेज ये सिर्फ टाउन ए की बात नहीं है, सारी जगह पे यही हाल है, पूरे देश में यही हाल है, बीचेस अच्छे से मैनेज नहीं है. So he starts by stating a personal issue, he starts by stating a personal example, and then he broadens it. Then he talks about the social significance. Now how do you distinguish a personal essay from a general essay? Personal essay में guys, personal जो issue है, that is just given to introduce the topic. टॉपिक को हाईलाइट करने के लिए दिया जाता है और फिर ऑथर टेक्स द ब्रॉडर पर्सपेक्टिव. तो फॉर एग्जांपल आप बोलते हो कि रिसेंटली ऑन माय ट्रेन जर्नी आई नोटिस्ड द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ, जैसे सेफ्टी की प्रॉब्लम थी. सो देन द ऑथर सेज दिस इज नॉट जस्ट माय एक्सपीरियंस, सबका एक्सपीरियंस यही है. तो वो टॉपिक इंट्रोड्यूस करने के लिए उसने अपना एक पर्सनल एनेक्डोट शेयर किया है, and then he takes it in the broadest context. So again, this will help us select the opener. The opener will be something which is a very specific issue और स्पेसिफिक अकाउंट. कंपैरेटिव ऐसे टाइप सबसे इजी है गाइस. 2 चीजें कंपेयर की जाती है. फर्स्ट यू स्टार्ट बाय स्टेटिंग व्हाट इज बीइंग कंपेयर्ड. लेट्स से यू आर कंपेयरिंग द ऑडी with, let's say, a BMW. Correct? You start by stating what is being compared. You give the relative merits and demerits of Audi, merits and demerits of BMW. Then you reach a solution or a judgment which is better. अब यहाँ पे एक चीज मैं आपको बता दूं कि for example, the statement starts by saying Audi and BMW. There are 2 statements. One talks about the merits of BMW. One talks about the merits of Audi. Grammatically दोनों ही second statement हो सकते हैं. कौन सा आएगा पहले? Because question में पहले Audi, first statement में introduction में पहले Audi mentioned है, तो we will first list the merits and demerits of Audi. Then we'll come to BMW according to the order in the opening sentence. वो decide करता है कि paragraph का flow क्या होगा. So this is one very important point. So traditional farming versus organic farming, you can talk about the relative merits and demerits. Preferably the author is going to pick traditional farming first, then he is going to come to organic farming, and then he is going to arrive at a judgment about which is better. Narrative type, ये आ जाए तो golden. Why? Because this is the easiest. Narrative, narration basically means a story. That story could be a sequence of events. First this happened, then this happened, then that happened. Chronological order, especially in historical passages, जब यहाँ पे dates आते हैं 15th century, 16th century, 17th century, 1985, 2005, multiple dates are given. They can take the chronological order. आप उनको date के sequence में, time के sequence में arrange कर सकते हो. So these are the 4 paragraph structures. ना इट इज वेरी गाइज, ये डेफिनेटली याद रखना, जब भी पैरा, ये सिर्फ सुनने के लिए अच्छा नहीं है, आप सबको पता है ये, पर कोई जनरली व्हाई डू यू गो रॉन्ग, बिकॉज यू डोंट रियली इम्प्लीमेंट दिस. When you're reading the statements, guys, I want you to start categorizing. Categorize what? Categorize as what? जो भी स्टेटमेंट आप पढ़ते हो उसको कैटेगराइज करो. ये प्रॉब्लम है, ये सोल्यूशन है. तो प्रॉब्लम, सपोज ये प्रॉब्लम था, ये प्रॉब्लम था, ये प्रॉब्लम था, ये सोल्यूशन था, तो हमको पता है कि 2 3 4 विल कम बिफोर 5, 5 लास्ट में आएगा. बाकी सारे स्टेटमेंट्स लेट्स से प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट्स थे. तो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस टू कैटेगराइज. देयर इज अ क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन के बाद ही आंसर आएगा. तो क्वेश्चन दिया है तो उसका आंसर ढूंढो और वो दोनों स्टेटमेंट्स को पेयर करो. अगर आंसर नहीं दिया है, इफ इट्स अ रिटोरिकल क्वेश्चन, फिर वो क्वेश्चन लास्ट में आएगा, रिटोरिकल क्वेश्चन लास्ट में आएगा, बिकॉज इसका आंसर नहीं है. ऑथर हैज लेफ्ट इट टू द इंटेलिजेंस ऑफ द ऑडियंस. डेटा, स्टेटिस्टिक्स, फिर उसका इन्फ्रेंस आता है, फिर उसका अंडरस्टैंडिंग आता है, स्टेटमेंट, एक्सप्लेनेशन, कॉज, इफेक्ट, डेफिनेशंस पहले आते हैं. हम लोग सब स्कूल में ऐसे ही लिखते थे, डेफिनेशन से स्टार्ट करते थे. स्टोरी, देन मॉरल, chronological order, past, present and future. So it's very important for us to follow a logical sequence. Categorization is very important. Read every statement and try to judge it. Okay, this is positive, this is negative, this is problem, this is solution, this is question, this is answer, this is a data, this is its inference, this is a definition, this is its explanation, this is a story, it ends with this moral, this is about the past, this is about. Why is it important, guys? Because language, yes, that is very important, that will help you, we'll come to that. What are the language indicators that you have to remember? But logical sequence is very important because every author, when they write a paragraph, they will follow the basic conventions. कोई पहले आंसर देके क्वेश्चन नहीं बताएगा, मतलब ही नहीं सरता. कोई पहले सोल्यूशन देके प्रॉब्लम नहीं बताएगा, करेक्ट. कोई पहले मॉरल देके फिर स्टोरी नहीं सुनाएगा. So these are certain things that are given, that are understood. These are basic writing rules, these are basic logic, common sense की बात है. So that you have to follow. So it's very important for us to remember and follow these logical sequences. अब इससे पहले कि हम language analysis पे जाएं, I want all of you to remember my special class timings. What is my special class timing? I meet you for special classes at 8 p.m. What are special classes now? Unacademy app downloaded है, learning app. If not, download it right now. Code कौन सा लगाना है? रितु MBA लगाना है, रितु and MBA. Okay, this is the code. Why? What are special classes? Special क्यों बोलते हैं इसे? Because these are free live classes which happen on the Unacademy learning app. फ्री है, लाइव है, बेस्ट एजुकेटर्स की क्लासेस है, पोल्स है, लीडर बोर्ड है, कहीं पे भी देख सकते हो. एंड यू कैन डाउनलोड द लेक्चर नोट्स एज वेल. तो और क्या चाहिए? सो 8 PM को आओ गाइस इन द स्पेशल क्लासेस एंड वी विल solve a lot of practice exercises, questions, and have a great discussion on all of these VRC concepts. इसके साथ साथ अगर आपने प्लस सब्सक्रिप्शन नहीं लिया है, अपनी प्रिपरेशन को अभी तक स्टार्ट नहीं किया है, यू हैव टू टेक द प्लस सब्सक्रिप्शन. गिव द कॉम्बैट गाइस विच इज इंडियाज बिगेस्ट वीकली स्कॉलरशिप टेस्ट. हर वीक होता है संडे को 12 बजे. ऑल यू हैव टू डू इज यूज द कोड रितु MBA एंड इफ यू विन अ रैंक, आपको स्कॉलरशिप मिलती है. जैसे रैंक 4 to 10 को 75% स्कॉलरशिप मिलता है प्लस सब्सक्रिप्शन पे. 11 to 50 को 50% स्कॉलरशिप मिलता है. 51 to 200 भी आया तो 25% स्कॉलरशिप मिलती है आपको. So but guys, don't forget to apply the code Ritu MBA when you enroll for Combat. All you 2021 aspirants, CAT is right around the corner. हमको marathons, हमको mocks देने, guys, mocks and sectionals. में कितने ये आपको जपना पड़ेगा रोज, mock. You have to give that many mocks and sectionals. That's the only way to crack the CAT examination. And for that, I want you all to utilize Unacademy's mock marathon. 2 full-length mock tests for CAT per week, 3 sectional tests per week, detailed video analysis. और क्या चाहिए? हाँ, रितु MBA कोड लगाकर ही आपको मॉक्स और सेक्शनल्स देने हैं. Now, हमने लॉजिकल एनालिसिस तो देख लिया. नाउ लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट लैंग्वेज एनालिसिस. नाउ दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इसमें एक हार्डली 5-6 पॉइंट्स है गाइस, पर ये पॉइंट्स बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. सब आपको पता होगा पर आप लोग यूज नहीं करते होगे, आपको रिमाइंडर चाहिए होगा या आपको पता ही नहीं होगा. सो लेट मी एक्सप्लेन दीज पॉइंट्स टू यू. Now guys, for example, there are 2 sentences. One says a research was conducted and this says the study or the research concluded. A research is definitely general. The study specific हो जाएगा. जनरल पहले आता है फिर स्पेसिफिक आता है, तो 1 पहले आएगा फिर 2 आएगा, 1-2 ऑर्डर हो जाएगा. a research conducted, then you say the study concluded. But that does not mean कि the कभी भी opener नहीं हो सकता. No, if I'm saying for the same let's say entity, अगर a भी use हुआ है और the भी use हुआ है तो a broader आएगा. A animal, the animal. तो a animal is general, the animal you're referring to a specific animal. तो general से specific flow होता है, इसीलिए वो बाद में आएगा. Adjectives, always remember this guys. ये students याद नहीं रखते, ये मैं बहुत बार बोलती हूँ पर ये students याद नहीं रखते. For example, if there are two statements, consumers have little difficulty in adjusting to the new age of better products. Governments find change harder. Harder than whom? Harder than consumers. Consumers have little difficulty. Consumers को difficulty नहीं है. Governments को और difficulty है. Governments find change harder. So that is why it has to be arranged in the order 1-2, not 2-1. You have to arrange it as 1-2. Whenever you come across comparative degree of adjectives, guys, immediately ढूंढो उसका positive degree कहाँ है. If you say gold is rarer, एक statement बोल रहा है gold is rarer. अरे ये rarer है, किससे rarer है? Search for another statement. One statement could say silver is, sorry, let's say silver is, let's say scarce, but gold is rarer. So हमको first positive degree and only then we can put the comparative degree. So this is very crucial. Next point. Now, these are certain language cues, guys, which I want you to remember, but especially I want you to remember cues like this. This will help you to link, understand which statements you have to link together. For example, when you come across words like but, yet, however, in spite of, despite, nevertheless, nonetheless, you link contrasting or contradictory statements together. अगर एक statement है but and that is positive, immediately check for a statement which is its contradiction or which is negative और उन दोनों को साथ में लगा दो. Similarly, likewise, moreover, link similar sentences together. Positive को positive से, negative को negative से. There are a lot of myths also which float around, guys, when it comes to students think कि therefore हमेशा last में आएगा, thus हमेशा last में आएगा. No, these are words which indicate conclusion, but not necessarily the conclusion of the entire para. These are words which indicate conclusion of an idea. तो ये बीच में भी आ सकता है. And a paragraph can also start with yet. A paragraph can also start with but. A paragraph can also start with however. It can start with all of these words. हमको myths because से शुरू हो सकता है. See guys, you also have to understand that it's not necessarily the first para of the article. It could be the second para, it could be the third para, किसी का continuation हो सकता है. So these language cues are very important for us to remember and recall. ठीक है? तो firstly, secondly, फिर lastly, also, moreover, linking similar ideas together. So ये cues पे, so in fact, indeed, focus on the language words. कितने सारे language words मैंने list किए यहाँ पे. Though, although, yet, but, because, and, also, moreover, similarly, likewise, additionally, in fact, indeed. स्टूडेंट्स नहीं फोकस करते इन सब वर्ड्स पे. गाइस, लॉजिक फिर भी बदल सकता है. आपका लॉजिक और मेरा लॉजिक अलग हो सकता है. मैं पहले कॉज लिख सकती हूँ, फिर इफेक्ट लिख सकती हूँ. मेरा मन किया तो मैं पहले इफेक्ट और फिर कॉज भी लिख सकती हूँ. पर लैंग्वेज जो मेरे लिए वो आपके लिए भी है. जो लैंग्वेज शेक्सपियर के लिए, अच्छा उन्होंने थोड़ा चेंज कर दिया था, ठीक है, पर अभी जो लैंग्वेज मैं फॉलो कर रही हूँ वो आप फॉलो कर रहे हो. लैंग्वेज डेफिनेट है, तो लैंग्वेज क्लूज पे हमको ज्यादा फोकस करना है. ओके, अब रुको, let me tell you some more language clues जो इजी वाले हैं, जो आप सबको ऑलरेडी पता है, पर उनको बताना थोड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट है. ऑलवेज नाउन, गाइस, नाउन पहले आएगा, फिर प्रोनाउन आएगा. करेक्ट? इसमें याद रखना, इफ इट्स अ सिंगुलर नाउन इट हैज टू बी फॉलोड बाय सिंगुलर प्रोनाउन. अगर प्लूरल नाउन है तो प्लूरल प्रोनाउन आएगा. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ इट्स अ सिंगुलर नाउन, लेट्स से इंडिया, तो प्रोनाउन होगा इट. अगर प्लूरल नाउन है, लेट्स से कंट्रीज, तो प्लूरल होगा दे या देम. सो वैसे आपको नाउन्स और प्रोनाउंस लिंक करने हैं. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर गाइस, फुल नेम फिर नेम, ओके, फिर प्रोनाउन. बट एक और वेरिएशन है, यू कैन ऑल्सो हैव फुल नेम, प्रोनाउन, and again you can use the name. There's nothing wrong with it. Rabindranath Tagore, Rabindranath, he. Rabindranath Tagore, he टैगोर, उसमें कोई गलती नहीं। ऐसे नहीं कि आपने प्रोनाउन यूज कर लिया तो फिर वापस नाउन नहीं यूज कर सकते, वैसे कुछ नहीं है। बस हाँ, फुल नेम पहले आएगा, फिर नेम प्रोनाउन प्रोनाउन नेम उसको आप डाल सकते हो। Full form will come before short form. United Nations will come before short form UN. Okay, so these points are very crucial and I want all of you to remember it. So noun pronoun का लिंक हो गया, singular plural का लिंक हो गया, full name का लिंक हो गया, full form का लिंक हो गया, articles का लिंक हो गया, adjectives का लिंक हो गया, keywords, conjunctions का लिंक हो गया, but, yet, moreover वगैरह का लिंक हो गया. So these language clues I want all of you to focus on. Always try and link similar ideas together. Guys, एक mistake जो students करते हैं, सिर्फ वर्ड्स पे फोकस करते हैं. 2 में ये वर्ड मेंशन है, 3 में ये वर्ड मेंशन है, दोनों को साथ में लगा दो. नो, पूरा पैराग्राफ में वो आइडिया वर्ड वो तो चलता रहेगा, किसी में होगा किसी में नहीं होगा, जरूरी नहीं है हर स्टेटमेंट में ऑथर एक वर्ड रिपीट करे. Mainly link similar ideas together, link similar concepts together. For example, there are 4 sentences which talk about a person. 2 statements talk about his physical appearance and 2 statements talk about his financial status. Physical appearance के statements को साथ में लगाओ, financial वाले को साथ में लगाओ, similar ideas को group करो. Okay, idioms and proverbs, generally जो idioms होते हैं, proverbs होते हैं, quotations होते हैं, questions होते हैं, they come either at the beginning or at the end. तो author ने पूरा explain कर दिया होगा, फिर बोलेगा कि ये proverb apt है, या तो proverb दिया होगा, फिर situation को explain किया होगा. So these are the language clues that I want all of you to remember. Now let's try out a couple of sample questions, guys. Come on, first question on your screen. Let's put all of this into practice. Come on. Come on, everyone, question on your screen. Come on, everyone. Frame the right logical links, the right language clues. Okay, come on guys, let's discuss this. So इस question का जो right order है guys, that is 2413. Okay, come on, let's check this out. Now the reason मैंने however से भी para start होता है. Now listen to this everyone. तो order है यहाँ का 2413. Let's check this out. It was worthwhile to speak out upon serious matters in an essay, and there was nothing absurd in writing as well as one possibly could, when in a month or two the same public which had welcomed the essay in a magazine would carefully read it once more in a book. However much they differ individually, the Victorian essayists yet had something in common. Now students सोचेंगे अरे however है first word, तो definitely this cannot be our opener, इसको निकाल दो. No guys, you have to understand here कि जो however है, it indicates a contradiction, contrast. अब contrast इसी sentence में है, however much they differ individually. They कौन? Victorian essayists. तो noun भी यहीं पे है, yet had something in common. So differ करते हैं फिर भी common है. So this actually becomes an independent statement. Contrast यहीं पे है. It's within the statement itself. So it actually becomes an independent statement. However much they differ, they yet have something in common. But a change came from a small audience of cultivated people to a larger audience of people who were not quite so cultivated. They wrote, they cannot be audience तो लिखेगी नहीं. Correct. They will refer to whom? The essayists. So language clue 2-4 का लिंक बन गया. अभी तक we have not, so guys, but they, it, तो so हम लोग 2 को हमारा ओपनर रख रहे हैं. 2-4 का लिंक हो गया because Victorian essays they wrote at greater length than is now usual. They wrote for a public which had not only time to sit down seriously, but a high, if peculiarly Victorian standard of culture by which to judge it. So seriously पढ़ते थे, seriously judge करते थे. They would speak out upon serious matters. They would carefully read it. So 4 in 1 का idea similar है. 4 in 1 का idea similar है. They talk about people who carefully sit down, judge it, talk about it seriously, read it carefully. 4 in 1 का idea similar है. फिर आएगा 3, but a change took place. From this kind of cultivated, refined, serious audience, shift हो गया to audience who are not so cultivated. So कैसे किया हमने ये पैरा जंबल, एक बार फिर से देखते हैं. 2 is an opener, contrast इसी के अंदर है. 2 and 4 का लिंक होगा विक्टोरियन एसेस और दे के कारण. 4 and 1 का लिंक होगा, it talks about a similar idea about carefully judge करने वाले people, and then we end it with 3. Got it? So that's why the answer is 2, 4, 1, 3. Come on, let's try out another question, guys. Come on, everyone. 5 sentence ka para jumble hai ye. Come on, I'm going to give you 2 minutes to try this out. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Try out the second question. Come on, everyone. 5 sentence para jumble. Okay, so come on, let's understand this. Okay, the big difference is that the Trump administration has elevated the systematic use of trade tariffs and sanctions as an instrument of coercion to a doctrine. Okay, of course, countries have been using trade as a weapon or as a negotiating tool to twist arms in the past, but this was on an ad hoc basis. So ये बोल रहा है कि past, okay, and this is talking about now. The new international buzz concept is the weaponization of trade. So this is the concept. But the fact is that the very notion of friend or allied country is completely alien to Donald Trump's view of the world and the way the US fits and acts in the world. And this is the stuff nightmares are made up of. What is the stuff nightmare? This is the stuff that nightmares are made up of. 3 and 5 का clear link होगा. What is the stuff that nightmares are made up of? Weaponization of trade. This is the stuff, this is the concept, this singular, you're talking about this concept. Of course, countries have been using it. Past में भी हुआ था, but अभी, the big difference now. Why is it a nightmare? Past में भी use हुआ था, but the big difference now is that the Trump administration, and one fora linked because it talks about the Trump administration, it talks about Donald Trump, it talks about US. You start with a general statement 35214. So 3 talks about the concept, which is weaponization of trade. Then you go with 5, which says this is the stuff that nightmares are made up of. What is the stuff? Weaponization of trade. Why is it a nightmare? Of course, it's happened in the past, but now it's different. And then this talks about Trump administration, America, and the US. But this was more logical than language based. जो पहले वाला था वो थोड़ा और language based था. So I hope all of you have understood this and if all of you have got the question right. So guys, don't forget to attend the daily lives. I meet you for daily live classes on YouTube at 5 p.m. Don't forget to attend the special classes, guys. Special classes happen at 8 p.m. Okay, but guys, I want all of you to take the plus subscription and apply the code RITUMBA when doing so, and you will get 10% off. Thank you, everyone. Do like, share, and subscribe. See you in the daily lives. Take care. Bye bye.